Hello guys and welcome back to another Hunters Prestige fitment video. On today's video we're going to show you how to fit one of our latest products, which is the center console pockets and also the grab handles. Now we have two different variations of these currently available. So we're going to be fitting the tan to our vehicle because we have a tan interior, but we also do the ebony black on our website for you to purchase straight away. Now for these you do not need a lot of tools. We actually provide you with an Allen key. That is just to take out the bolts, which we'll show you shortly. So it's a nice and simple installation, and this works on both the My 25, 26 and all model range Defenders with a center console. So let's get into today's fitment video. So the first thing we're going to do is with the Allen key supplied, so this is a T30, is to remove two bolts from the hockey sticks. So you're going to remove the front one just here, and then also this one just here. Okay, and then grab the grab handle from that side, put it in place, and with the black bolt supplied, just thread them in with your hand first, just to make sure you've got them in correctly, which I have not. And then tighten them back up with the Allen key. Now these are a little bit longer than the one supplied, obviously because we're adding the grab handles in between the bolts and the actual hockey sticks. Make sure they're nice and tight. And then repeat this process on the other side. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is actually fit the center pockets. Now these were available originally from Land Rover, and we do supply both the Land Rover Genuine and the aftermarket, but unfortunately the Land Rover ones are very expensive. So these are aftermarket variants of these, and for the price of them you get the grab handle, you also get the pockets as well, so they're good value for money. First thing you're going to do is, if you've got a pre-25 model year, you may have the wireless charger or possibly our center console storage, so you just want to remove that. Just take that out, and if you've got the wireless charger, just take out the plug from the cigarette lighter. This will make it easier to get inside the center console. Now if you've got a 25 model year, you may need to put away the little tray which comes out just under there. Now these have little tags on them, which you can see here. Now these tags are designed just to retain from the inside. So the best way to do it is make sure that tag is hidden like that first, which will click in just like that, so nice and flush. And on this side there's like a retainer, so what you want to do is you want to put this side in first, and then you want to lock it and secure it on this side. So pop that into the gap, pop into the gap like so, and then the tag, which is just on the inside, you just want to rotate that like so, which will secure it in place. So that adds a nice little storage pocket on there as well, and if you have the My 25 model year or the 26, you have the little tray that comes out of the center console just there. So you still have access to your power sockets, so the power C and also the USB, but you can actually feed a wire directly through that center pocket as well, so you can charge your phone and still have the tray hidden, so it hides all your wires. Obviously we do supply a wireless charger for the pre-generation or pre-facelift model years as well. So either that, or we do the center storage tray as well, which actually hides that quite nicely, and even with the pockets fitted as well, it's a very hidden unit, like so. So that is the end of today's fitment video on how to fit our center pockets and also the grab handles. If you guys are interested in a different color interior trim other than the tan or the ebony black, please get in contact with us or drop in the comment section below. As always guys, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters and for more fitment videos. See you on the next video.